Today I'm gonna put my cooking skills to test. We're gonna make banana hotcakes. Hotcakes with banana. So in a blender, put one banana, a little bit of canela, I think it's cinnamon in English. I'm gonna break 2 eggs. The 2 eggs are inside. I will put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour. I will add now half a glass of water. Now I have everything in the blender and we're gonna mash. I'm going to heat 2 small frying pans. You can also do it with the larger one. On the minimal, on small. Yeah, on the small one, yeah, like that. And I will take the butter and I will put it right here. Like that. Now I will add the mix to the frying pan. So now, and to the second frying pan. And we're gonna cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes on one side. Now I'm going to flip the hot cake. Now that I flipped the hot cake, I'll let it cook about 3 minutes on the other side. Now that the hot cake is ready, I'm gonna add some honey. Now I will add some berries to my hotcakes. And it's ready to eat. Now I'm gonna try the hot cake that I made. Very good. Very good. Very recommended. And this is how I served this hot cake to my 2-year-old.